Welcome to Neighborhood Concierge, your one-stop commercial janitorial and maintenance connection since 2016. I'm Alex, an AI avatar specifically designed to explain why Neighborhood Concierge is the best choice for your commercial janitorial and maintenance services. At Neighborhood Concierge, we take pride in what we do and strive every day to deliver the best commercial cleaning services. We insist on the ethical treatment of employees and clients, build long-standing business relationships, cultivate a safe environment for all, and never sacrifice our integrity and high standards for growth. At Neighborhood Concierge, we reimagine all aspects of commercial janitorial and maintenance cleaning services for our clients. By incorporating the latest technologies and best practices, we deliver superior, tailored results that transform how businesses experience cleanliness and maintenance. After all, our business expansion has been based on word-of-mouth referrals by being flexible and accommodating with honest pricing and with hard work. I'm excited to share our 5 core service areas at Neighborhood Concierge. We provide superior janitorial and exemplary maintenance services and all phases of construction cleaning. We also provide detailed deep cleaning and disinfecting services for both our commercial and residential clients. I will be going into greater detail about each one of these areas. Doesn't your office deserve the best in commercial janitorial services? Our day and night shifts provide janitorial services to all types of businesses, including, but not limited to, multi-level office buildings, health and wellness facilities, apartment complexes, professional offices, private academies, and learning centers. Our extensive maintenance services can also include carpet cleaning, window washing, floor stripping and waxing, as well as pressure washing. Our clients rave about our services. We also provide all phases of construction cleaning, from rough to post-construction to pre-move-in cleaning. From renovations to cleanouts, you'll be glad you chose Neighborhood Concierge. At Neighborhood Concierge, we provide detailed deep cleaning services for your entire building and professional office suites. We also take care of schools and educational centers, houses of worship, and private residences where deep cleaning services can be a necessity. Experience the power of Neighborhood Concierge's disinfecting services with our non-contact spraying by our highly trained staff. We ensure comprehensive coverage, treating all office spaces, conference rooms, entry areas, reception zones, bathrooms, break rooms, and kitchens. Our advanced spraying technique provides thorough and effective sanitation, creating a safer and cleaner environment for everyone. And we have more great news. Neighborhood Concierge can clean your home for free. Since we have such an excellent reputation, we provide a referral program as a modest way to thank our clients. The more commercial cleaning clients you refer to us, the more we clean your home. It's a win-win. What do our clients say about us? They all agree that we are very professional, reasonably priced, and provide exceptional service. Our glowing endorsements come from directors of janitorial services, school principals, facilities managers, real estate brokers, health and wellness general managers, and so many others. At Neighborhood Concierge, we agree with John Gardner, who stated, "Excellence is doing ordinary things extraordinarily well." Let us provide you with a quote for your commercial, janitorial, and maintenance services. Or perhaps you'd like more info. Just contact us by phone at 201-615-6090 or email us at wecare@neighborhoodconciergeln.com. You can also visit our website at neighborhoodconciergeln.com. We promise you that we don't cut corners, we clean them. We look forward to working with you.